Up for sale today, we got a 1964 Corvette Coupe finished in saddle tan with black interior. It is loaded with factory power steering, upgraded four-wheel disc brakes that are power disc brakes, power steering. Has a 67 327 motor in it, 4-speed, and about $4,000 in suspension upgrades. Just the parts alone, not the, I guess you want to say, the cost of installing it, the labor, anything else that goes into that. So when it comes time, I won't get under the car. I'll just run some pictures of the suspension that I'm posting on the ad. Previous owners of 33 years. It's an older paint, you know, it's got some stone chips. They obviously enjoyed the car, but it runs real nice and it handles real nice along with those suspension upgrades. If any of you remember, I had a 65 Coupe that had about $115,000 spent on it, and this has, from what I've seen, better suspension. But like I said, it's an older paint, but you got all the money spent on it upgrade-wise. You know, you just look past that. You get a car that you can enjoy, that handles incredibly, runs nice. The glass is nice. The chrome is nice. The trim is nice. It fires right up. Like I said, black interior, power windows. Oh, the bird cage is nice too. No rust in the bird cage. See, you can see the factory. I mean, not the factory, the upgraded four-wheel disc brakes in the back. The front has it too. A little sporty wheels to kind of go with the style of the car. Yeah. Like I said, you can see some of the marks on the car. It's nice to finally have a sunny day too. If you're still here, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to keep saying it. We just hit 100 subscribers the other day, and I'm going to be honest, I'm really excited about it. So thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it very much. You know, the car will be for sale soon, probably at the end of the day. NextGenClassicCars.com, eBay. It'll be on there before my website. Yeah, I got some more stuff here. The radio works. The lights work. They go up and down as they should. Good morning. So I'll run those pictures of the undercarriage and suspension after I finish the interior, so you can see those. Again, bird cage, solid. Doors open and close as they should. Honestly, the car had pretty nice gaps, I would say. As far as bonding strips go, it has its rear bonding strips. No bonding strip here, but there's a little bit of the bonding strip on the right side. So here, I'll run those now. And as you see, you can see the upgraded suspension. The frame, solid. The rear suspension. You know, a lot of money went into this car suspension-wise, upgrades-wise with the four-wheel disc brakes, the power steering that was added on, the nice factory power windows gives it a cool option. So, thanks for watching the video. I'll run the driving video now, so stay tuned. Hello.
Hey guys. It's 1964 Corvette Coupe. It was long time owned, about 30 years. Same family. And in the last year, they completely went through the car and put on a front and rear high performance suspension for handling, along with four-wheel disc brakes, new tires and wheels, new exhaust, it has power steering, power brakes, power windows, so it handles like a little toy. These aftermarket suspensions are made strictly for your C2 Corvettes, just to make them a lot of fun to drive. You know, they're great to look at, we all know that, but when it comes to driving them, you know, the original ones, just a little bit of a chore. And this one turns on a dime, brakes on a dime, just makes everything effortless. It brings it up into the 2,000 range of a Corvette. It shifts nice, smooth running engine. A little bit older paint, but it's finished in a rare color, the saddle tan. Shifts nice, brakes nice. The tach does not work. The amp meter does not work. Lights all work nice. So, thanks for looking.
Thank you.